Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your resume on Indeed. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Indeed account. And then the next thing is the two ways to actually get that done. First, you can click on this, post your CV, or you can head over to the your account icon, and then you click on profile. And once you click on profile, you're going to see upload resume. So let's click on upload resume to start the process. So I'm just going to upload this resume right here and click open. All right. Check for mistakes you might have made and refine your resume personalized suggestions because we previewed your Indeed resume. So click on review resume and then let's go through the process. All you need to do is to check if there are mistakes and check if their selections or whatever they choose from your resume is just intact. So click on continue. Yes. So you can choose to, let me just go back. So you can choose to show your number on Indeed or not show. If you want to show it, just click on this checkbox. If you don't want to, just leave it blank. And then where you're located, fine. Check that's okay. And then your education, fine. Review work experience. I think all this is just okay for me. And then continue. What are some of your skills? These are just it. But if you see that a particular skill was added that it doesn't suit you, just go ahead and click on the trash bin icon. That's a delete icon. All right, and then these are your skills, added skills. All right, if that's cool, just continue. What certification or licenses do you have? I have a particular one, certified in project management, but I just want to leave that blank and then continue. But if you have, you can just add that up. So is your resume ready? So go ahead and review to see that it's okay. If it's not okay, click on the edit icon. That's the pen icon to edit, or the delete icon to delete anyone that doesn't suit you or anyone that you don't want to leave. Then the next is just go ahead and click on continue, or you can just go ahead and add more selections. So do you want to be searchable on Indeed or not? If you don't want to be, you can just click on these. If you want to be, you can click on that. And then but if you're searchable, then employers will be able to find you easily. Then click on continue. What are you looking for in your next job? So you can now fill this out. Click on this plus icon to add your job title. You can add your work schedule as well, and add your pay, then add location, and then add remote. And then go ahead and finish. So your resume is ready now. Click on continue to profile, and you see that the resume automatically creates your profile settings for you. So this is pretty much the process. You can look at this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.